If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The History Brush tool lets you restore parts of an image over which you paint to an earlier history state or snapshot. This lets you selectively undo an edit without reverting the entire image file to the previous history state or snapshot. To select the History Brush tool in Photoshop, click it to select it from the Tools panel. It shares a button within the Tools panel with the Art History Brush tool. Also, ensure you show the History panel on screen so you can use it to select the image data from the previous history state to restore. To show the History panel in Photoshop if needed, select Window, History from the menu bar. To set the options for the History Brush tool in Photoshop after selecting it, look within the Options bar Control panel. The options are the same as for the Brush tool. To set the History Brush tool's size, hardness, roundness, and angle, click the Click to open the Brush Preset Picker button, and then use the Size and Hardness sliders and the small circles and arrow on the brush tip icon at the left side of the Brush Picker panel to set the desired settings. Then click the button again to collapse the panel. To toggle the Brush Settings panel on or off if needed, click the Toggle the Brush Settings panel button in the Options bar Control panel. Then set the blending mode, opacity, flow, angle, and pressure settings in the Options bar Control panel, just as when using the Brush tool. Next, click to the left of the desired history state or snapshot to use as the basis for the pixels to paint using the History Brush tool within the History panel. You should see an icon for the History Brush tool appear to the left of the selected history state or snapshot. Then click and drag in the selected layer with the History Brush tool to paint the pixels from the selected history state or snapshot onto the current image to restore the data from the selected history state or snapshot. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.